Today, I want to talk about something that is silently sitting in many people's minds, something that creates fear, confusion, and a lot of overthinking: artificial intelligence, or simply AI. Everywhere you look today, you hear the same sentence again and again. AI will take our jobs. AI will replace humans. AI will destroy careers. And when people hear this, something happens inside them. They feel scared. They feel insecure. They feel like the future is not in their control anymore. So today, I don't want to scare you. I don't want to motivate you with fake hope either. I just want to explain the truth, slowly, honestly, in simple English. First, let us understand one very important thing. AI is not magic. AI is not a monster. AI is a tool. Just like computers were once new, just like the internet was once scary. When computers came, people said the same thing. When the internet came, people said the same thing. Every new technology brings fear, and every new technology also brings opportunity. Now let me ask you something. When calculators came, did maths disappear? No. When mobile phones came, did communication stop? No. It changed. The same thing is happening now. AI is changing the way we work, not ending work, changing it. Yes, I will say this clearly. Some jobs are disappearing, and we should accept that reality. Jobs that are repetitive, jobs that follow fixed steps again and again, jobs where thinking is minimum, jobs where creativity is not required. For example, simple data entry, basic repetitive customer replies, some factory work, some support roles where the same answer is given again and again. In these areas, AI is faster. AI does not get tired. AI does not take breaks. AI does not ask for salary hikes, so companies are using AI. This part is true, and ignoring this truth is dangerous. But here is the part people don't talk about calmly. AI is not taking jobs randomly. AI is taking tasks, not humans. One job has many tasks inside it. Some tasks can be automated, some cannot. For example, customer support. AI can answer simple questions, but when a customer is angry, emotional, confused, AI fails because humans understand emotions. Humans understand tone. Humans understand silence. AI can write content, but it cannot feel pain. It cannot feel struggle. It cannot feel real human experience. That is why stories still matter. That is why voices still matter. That is why communication still matters. Now think about yourself. You are learning English. You are improving your communication. Do you really think AI can replace someone who can explain things clearly, who can talk calmly, who can connect emotionally? No, not easily. The biggest lie people believe is this, that AI will replace everyone equally. That is not true. AI will replace people who stop learning. AI will replace people who refuse to adapt. AI will replace people who say, "This is not my problem." But AI will support people who grow. AI will help people who are curious. AI will empower people who use it wisely. Let me give you a simple example. Today, many people use AI to write emails, but who decides what to say? The human. AI gives suggestions, but who understands the situation? The human. AI helps you work faster, but you still need judgment. You still need clarity. You still need communication. This is why English becomes more important, not less. In the AI world, people who can explain ideas, people who can speak clearly, people who can guide others will always have value. Even AI companies need humans to train AI, to correct AI, to explain AI to other humans. AI does not understand culture properly. AI does not understand human fear properly. AI does not understand dreams, failures, hesitation. Only humans do. Now let us talk about jobs. Many people think if AI comes, there will be no jobs. But look at history. When cars came, horse carriage jobs reduced, but mechanics, drivers, engineers were created. When computers came, typewriter jobs reduced, but software jobs were created. When the internet came, shop jobs changed, but online jobs were created. Every time one door closes, another door opens, but only for those who move. The real danger is not AI. The real danger is staying still. If you keep doing the same thing for 10 years without learning anything new, without improving communication, without adapting, then yes, AI is dangerous for you. But if you grow, AI becomes your assistant, not your enemy. Now let me talk directly to you, especially if you are an English learner. Many people feel inferior. They think, my English is weak, I'm not confident, I'm behind others. But in the AI era, clear and simple English is powerful. You don't need perfect grammar. You need clarity. You need confidence. You need courage to speak. Most people stay silent. They are scared of making mistakes. They let opportunities pass. But people who speak, even with broken English, still move ahead. AI cannot attend meetings for you. AI cannot negotiate for you. AI cannot inspire your team for you. These are human skills. So instead of asking, will AI take my job? Ask this question slowly. How can I become someone AI cannot replace easily? And the answer is simple. Learn to communicate. Learn to explain. Learn to think. Learn to adapt. AI is very good at doing tasks. Humans are very good at meaning. Meaning matters. When you talk to someone, your tone matters. Your pause matters. Your emotion matters. AI cannot pause with feeling. AI cannot stay silent with understanding. That is why podcasts still work. That is why teachers still work. That is why creators still work. Now I want to say something important. Fear spreads faster than truth. That is why social media is full of scary headlines. AI will destroy jobs. Humans are finished. But calm thinking is rare. Instead of panicking, observe, learn, adapt. Use AI to improve your life. Use AI to practice English. Use AI to learn faster. But don't let AI decide your worth. Your worth is not defined by technology. Your worth is defined by your growth. The future does not belong to AI alone. The future belongs to humans who learn continuously. So don't run away from AI. Walk with it. Don't fear the future. Prepare for it. And remember one thing. Every generation faces a change. This is ours. If you are willing to grow, this change can be your opportunity. Now I want to hear from you. Do you feel scared of AI or do you feel curious? Write your thoughts in the comments. Let us talk. Let us learn together. And if you like calm, simple English like this, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon, because learning never stops, and neither should you.